Hello guys, now let us discuss question 149. The question is which of the following carbocations is expected to be most stable? So the four options are given to us. Okay, these are carbocations. That is first option, second option, third option, and fourth option. So the correct option is answer 2, option 2, because now let's take each and every option and discuss about it. In the first option, the plus is cation is directly attached to the NO2, so it forms a resonance with it, and hence it leads. So it is as it is directly attached to NO2, so forms resonance as, therefore it is unstable. Unstable. Similar, the option 3 is the cation is directly attached to the NO2, hence it will also be an unstable form. So the option 1 and 3 are cancelled out. Now let us discuss the option 3, option 4. So in the option 4 is stable, but but it is less stable. It is less stable due to electron withdrawal effect of NO2. Due to electron withdrawing effect of NO2. And when we come to the second option, in the second option, it is most stable because there is less electron withdrawing effect of NO2 in this case. Therefore, the correct option is option 2.